Annie and I had to move. Hey guys, you probably wondered what happened to me, but the other house I was living in was actually owned by my aunt and uncle. It was my grandparents' old house, and my cousin and her family decided to move in there, so I had to move. So all I could find is a little studio cottage that I'm in right now. So if you're wondering what happened, and I almost had to give up Annie. This place wouldn't take dogs, and all the places I was looking for were too expensive, or most of them wouldn't take dogs, including this one. So actually I was just going to give her away because I needed a place to live. I had no choice. And then the property manager, she's like, "You're going to give away your dog?" I'm like, "Well, what am I supposed to do? I need a place to live." And she said, "You know what? I'm not supposed to tell you this, but register as a companion dog, and then, you know, legally they can't let you not have her." So I did that, and that all worked out. So Annie's here with me. I was like, I didn't want to have to get rid of her. I mean, but this, like I said, this is the only place I could find. It's really small. It's a little studio cottage. I don't really know how it's going to work for filming, but everything is so expensive and so hard to find. It's all I could find. So I'm just going to have to make the best of it. I'm standing in the kitchen right now. So this is how small the place is. There's a bed. There's Annie. She's sleeping on the bed. A dresser, and I have a TV on the wall. There's no room for any furniture. Here's a shot from the other side. I pretty much get out of bed, and that's my computer right there. I stand at my computer because my back's really bad, so I have that so I can stand. Then just a tiny kitchen. Basically, you get out of bed and you're in your kitchen almost. So I don't know how this is going to work, but I guess we'll see. In the corner of my kitchen, there's this tiny little 4-burner stove. I haven't even tried it out yet. It's brand new, and it has an oven. Like I said, I haven't tried it. I don't really even cook on the stove that much. It's kind of in the corner. That cutting board is on wheels, so I have to pull that out to use it, but should be interesting to try to film stuff in here. In the front, I have this small little deck, but both of my grills fit on it, so it's not huge, but it's enough room for my grills anyway. So that's the tour. This is the 4th place I've lived since I've been making videos. I've been making videos for 9 years now. So like I said, this is the 4th place now. So it'll be a challenge. It'll keep things interesting. I'll try to get some cooking videos going pretty soon. Anyway, thanks for watching. See you guys next time.